Good day, sir. Hi. Van Sail. Yeah, this is not authorized at all, so that's R1,000. You can't park like this. I mean, if all the cars are parking like this, you know what I'm saying, they will damage the front of the school. Do you always park like this?
No, not always.
Yeah.
Can't find anywhere parking.
Yeah, I understand. But now you're coming with the Jeep and you park right on top of the paving. I mean, that is not acceptable. You agree with me? You've got kids in the school?
Yes, I do.
All right, so that's going to be R1,000. I'll put it on the yearly school fee, so you don't need to pay everything at once. If it's a reoccurring thing, it will be another R1,000. But sir, look at this. I mean, really. I mean, what else should we do? You know what I'm saying? I mean,
Tell me I can't park here because, I mean...
But you're taking liberty, sir. You just park here like a hooligan. You know what I'm saying?
I'm a hooligan.
No, but the way you park, sir, not
That's
you.
not just... I mean, you could have handled it different. I think so.
Yeah, may I ask not to put a complaint in because the headmaster said to me I must talk nicely with customers.
No, you didn't.
But
You first tell me I'm a hooligan and I...
But so normally, when people drive this type of vehicles, they think they own the road. You know.
You just assume I'm an asshole hooligan, done with it.
But you've done...
So let's go to the headmaster.
No, please, sir, I've got small children. And it's primary school, sir. He will immediately... But sir, you were also rude to me, and I'm going to say that. You said to me, when I approach you, you said you'll park like you want. That was exactly your word.
You're lying now.
Because you say to me, you can park any way you like, and that's not true, sir.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah, no, I said, please don't. Do you've got contacts at the school, sir? You do have contacts? Because normally people just threaten because they think they've got
I don't
contacts.
have contacts. My kids is here at school.
Oh, your kids are here in the school?
Of course.
Okay.
So let's go.
No, I apologize for that. So I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll let you permanently park here next time. Meneer, my naam is JD Heinz.
Dit so gedink.
Als my camera. Brother, jy was die moer in daar, nee. Hemel, jy was warm. Jy was warm. Alright, doe my guns, kyk in daai lens en sê JD pranks het my.
JD pranks het my.
High five. En dankie dat jy 'n sport is, hoor. Yes.
Gewoonlik vat ek dit maar soos 'n man en hou my bek.
Daai hooligan ding het jou gegooi.
Ek stop al vir 7 jaar hierso.
En toe ek sê hooligan, that was too much.
Ja, that
was the last nail in the coffin.
Sommer die moeder. Ja, jy het my mooi.